Getting your real estate license might feel like a big challenge, but with the right guidance and tools, it's absolutely doable. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and we'll also take a closer look at the Hogan School of Real Estate, a well-regarded option for aspiring agents in Arizona. No matter where you are in your journey, just curious or ready to commit, this guide will break everything down into simple, actionable steps. So let's get started and move closer to making your real estate career a reality. What are the requirements to get a real estate license in Arizona? Now, before starting your journey, it's important to ensure that you meet the basic requirements. Age: you must be 18 years or older. Education: a high school diploma or GED is required. This ensures you have the foundational knowledge needed to complete pre-licensing courses successfully. Residency: you must be legally present in the United States. Documentation will be required during the application process. Background check: you'll need to pass a fingerprint clearance and background check. Arizona is strict about moral character, so any felonies or misdemeanors related to moral turpitude may disqualify you. Meeting these requirements ensures that you're eligible to start the next steps in the licensing process. Step-by-step guide to getting licensed. Step 1, complete pre-licensing education. Arizona mandates 90 to 96 hours of approved pre-licensing education. These courses cover a range of essential topics, including Arizona real estate laws. You need to gain a solid understanding of state-specific legal requirements, property ownership, and land use regulations. Learn about different types of property ownership and zoning laws, contracts, and fiduciary duties. Understand the ethical and legal responsibilities of a real estate agent. Market analysis and valuation. Discover how to evaluate and price properties effectively. Now, courses can be completed online, in person, or through live-streamed classrooms at reputable schools like Hogan School of Real Estate. Hogan's flexible learning options allow you to balance your education with other commitments. They also offer valuable study resources such as flashcards, practice exams, and live Q&A sessions to support your learning journey. Step 2, pass the course final exam. After completing your pre-licensing coursework, you'll need to pass a school-administered final exam. This exam typically requires a score of 80% or higher. Here are some tips to ensure success. Review course material. Revisit key topics and take advantage of any practice exams provided. Time management. Allocate adequate time for each section to avoid rushing through questions. Ask questions. If anything is unclear, consult your instructor or peers. This step verifies your readiness for the state licensing exam. Step 3, pass the state licensing exam. The state exam is a significant milestone in your licensing journey. Administered by Pearson VUE, it includes 180 multiple choice questions divided into national and state-specific sections. To pass, you must achieve a score of 75% or higher. Key details to prepare. Duration. The exam lasts 3 hours. Requirements. Bring 2 forms of ID, a non-scientific calculator, and your pre-license education certificate. Preparation. Hogan's comprehensive study guide and their CompuCram product can help you feel confident going into test day. Step 4, submit your license application. Once you've passed the exam, it's time to submit your application to the Arizona Department of Real Estate. This step involves completing and submitting the salesperson application form, providing documentation such as your exam score report, fingerprint clearance card, and proof of pre-licensing education. Paying the licensing fee, which is approximately $135. Processing times vary, so plan ahead to ensure that there are no delays. Step 5, choose a sponsoring broker. Your license must be activated by a brokerage. Finding the right sponsoring broker is crucial for a successful start in real estate. Consider the following when choosing. Mentorship programs. Does the brokerage offer guidance for new agents? Training opportunities. Are there ongoing educational resources and workshops? Support systems. Do they provide marketing tools, leads, and a collaborative environment? Reputation. Research the brokerage's standing in the industry and among other agents. Hogan's Career Hub can help you connect with reputable brokerages in Arizona. Step 6, complete continuing education. To maintain your license, you must complete 24 hours of continuing education every 2 years. These courses cover essential topics like ethics, legal updates, and industry best practices. Hogan School of Real Estate offers live stream continued education classes for flexibility, specialized continuing education packages tailored to Arizona's requirements. Staying current with your continuing education not only fulfills licensing requirements, but also keeps you informed about industry changes. How to choose the right brokerage. Selecting the right brokerage can set the tone for your career. Here's a detailed checklist to guide your decision. Mentorship. Does the brokerage have experienced mentors who can guide you through the first few transactions? A mentor can be invaluable in helping you navigate challenges and build confidence. Training programs. Comprehensive training systems are crucial for new agents. Look for brokerages that offer workshops, webinars, and hands-on training sessions. Marketing support. Does the brokerage provide tools and resources to help you generate leads and market properties effectively? Commission splits. While tempting, don't prioritize commission splits over training and support. A lower split with excellent mentorship can yield better long-term results. Company culture. Visit the brokerage to get a sense of its work environment. A supportive, collaborative culture can make a big difference in your early career. Invest time in researching and interviewing potential brokerages to ensure that they align with your goals. Hogan School of Real Estate review. So why choose Hogan? Hogan School of Real Estate stands out for its Arizona-specific focus and commitment to student success. Here's why it's a top choice. High pass rates. Hogan boasts an impressive 86.5% first-time pass rate, significantly higher than many competitors. Expert instructors. All instructors are practicing real estate professionals who bring real-world experience to the classroom. Flexible learning. Options include in-person, online, and live-streamed courses to suit different learning styles and schedules. Comprehensive resources. Students receive flashcards, practice exams, and personalized support, including live Q&A sessions. Real-world testimonials. Hogan has received glowing reviews from students who credit their success to the school's supportive environment and expert instruction. The instructors were knowledgeable and engaging. I passed my exams on the first try. Jacqueline H. Hogan provided me with the tools that I needed to succeed, from study materials to live support. Ashley M. Their career hub helped me connect with a great brokerage and start my career on the right foot. Brett G. So Hogan offers 3 pre-licensing packages to fit various needs and budgets, all designed with student success in mind. Their basic package starts at $559 at the time of recording, providing essential materials like the 90-hour pre-licensing course, a free school final exam, and unlimited instructor support. For those looking to go the extra mile, the Career Start package starts at $743 at the time of recording and includes extras like the CompuCram online exam prep and additional math review courses. Finally, their most comprehensive option, the Set for Success package, starts at $839 at the time of recording and features everything in the other packages plus an 18-hour continuing education bundle and their exclusive exam prep crammer course. With their pass or don't pay guarantee and the flexibility of self-paced live stream or in-person formats, Hogan stands out as a top choice for Arizona real estate education. Costs of becoming a real estate agent in Arizona. Now, here's a detailed breakdown of the costs involved. Pre-licensing education. $300 to $800 plus, depending on the package. Exam fees, $63 per attempt. Fingerprinting and background check, $50 to $75. Licensing application fee, $250. Continuing education, $50 to $200 annually. Overall, you can expect to invest approximately $800 to $1,000 to get started. Additional expenses such as insurance and marketing materials may arise once you begin your career. Starting a real estate career in Arizona is an exciting step full of opportunities to grow and succeed. With the right education and preparation, you'll set yourself up for success from day one. By following the steps in this guide and choosing a school like Hogan, known for its Arizona-specific focus and flexible learning options, you'll have all the tools that you need to confidently navigate this new journey. Hogan School's supportive resources and experienced instructors can make the process smoother, helping you feel ready to take on the challenges ahead. Pair that foundation with a brokerage that fits your goals, and a commitment to learning, and you're well on your way to building a fulfilling career in real estate. Now, if you want to get started with the Hogan School of Real Estate, then you'll find a link for them down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this, so if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.